He actually, before they took him from the Philippines here, he filed his candidacy to run as mayor of the city of Davao. Probably you haven't heard of Davao. And now, we just finished our midterm election and he won with an overwhelming majority voted by over 600,000 people. If he was that bad of a president,
Why they vote for him?
because as a mayor,
Yeah, but if he's bad, why people still want him?
exactly, that's my point. That is very much the
So if
question.
people want him, why the outside don't want him?
Because he has influence, because people believe in him. He wants to eliminate him in the political spectrum. Okay. Hello everyone watching this live. This is Alvin. Thank you so much for supporting our former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, but now Mayor of Davao City. Hanggang sa dulo po, let's continue to pray for his good health. Let's continue to pray for him that he's going to get through the whole process, and let's also pray that ICC will see it in their hearts and mind to release our former president and now Mayor of Davao be brought back to the Philippines as soon as possible. Let's also pray that the disqualification motion for 2 judges that was filed by the lead counsel, Attorney Kaufman, will be decided in favorable to the lead counsel to the counsel of our former president, and at the same time, the challenge with respect to the jurisdiction of ICC to the Philippines will be also favorable to Mayor Duterte. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Follow this live and I hope to see you here sa The Hague. We have upcoming events on May 17, 24, and 31. These are all collective efforts by Filipino communities here in the Netherlands and also globally. Together, let's show that Filipinos in solidarity will echo a voice that will definitely reach the ICC, and for them to have a decision na ipauwi na si tatay para kaming mga Pilipino ay mawawalan na din dito sa Duterte Street, and we will all have our normal lives back. Maraming salamat po. We are trying to arrange an interview for Attorney Harry Roque para talaga maliwanagan yung mga tao. Ano ang nangyayari? Yun. Like a sit down, like an interview talaga na si Attorney Roque doon nakaupo para sila sabihin nila, tao po na nakaupo, maari po ba bang tumayo? Ganon. Anet do, thank you po ma'am. At saka si Attorney Roque, he is a lawyer. Kaya para talaga tumahimik yung mga tao. I am not a lawyer myself. I am espousing my views as an ordinary citizen. Yan si Attorney Roque talaga, kinakain niya the technicalities of the law. Morning, lunch, dinner, midnight snack, yun. Kaya natatakot ang tao sa kanya because he's too intelligent. Too intelligent for them. Bye, attorney!
Question na hindi niya masasagot.
Oo. Bye! Ano daw sabi niya? Mumpanes. Ay, talaga? Okay ba sa kanya?
Sabi nga, tangayin niyo si
Kasi,
Alvin.
ikidnapin niyo naman.
No, for ransom.
ICC recognize si Attorney Roque kaya credibility mag-expound na sa situation po. Exactly.
From here.
Diyan Sir Alvin kasi mag-ask na po kailan ang media. We're still arranging that. Don't worry. Ipa-arrange ko sana. Hindi, kung okay lang sa'yo, kung hindi ka magalit, mainumin ba doon?
Ano tawing wine doon, galis Germany.
Sige.
Diba? Sabi mo dahil di ka iinom. Bumili si Sarah rin ng wine glass kagabi.
Sige.
7 piraso.
Sa'yo lang problema.
Daming wine doon diba sa...
Kaya si attorney, hindi yan natatakot kahit anong sabihin. Magaling talaga. Kaya sa kongreso, maano talaga yung mga tao, hello! Hi! Ano ka ngayon? Tsaka recognize, oo nga, oo. Kaya ang gusto sana naman mangyari, interview si attorney with regards to the legal aspect. And I was thinking, maybe if they allow me to be interviewed with regards to the point of view of the supporters as ordinary Filipino. Yun sana. Bye! No, he is not only friends with Miriam. Senator Miriam, I'm sorry, he is not only friends with Senator Miriam. He is also taught, parang naging ano din siya, student ni Senator Miriam. Vin, unsaon pag-avail atong merchandise person? There, just come on the 24th. Just come. Ate, thank you so much, my sir. Thank you for being here. We appreciate, and I hope that President Trump will be able to see your interview, and then I hope as well that he will make a position with regards to our former president and now mayor, because they had a good communication as well before, a good relationship. And I know that President Trump also have very strong opinions about the ICC. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Ingat. Mabuhay.
President Trump said that ICC is not credibility.
Yeah. Ay, sorry sir. Sorry sir.
Gang, i-message sila ko. Thank you. Okay.
Sir, thank you so much for your patience.
No problem.
Because you know what? Our president is detained inside. Do you know that? Duterte?
Yeah,
Yeah. What do you think of Duterte?
you support.
Yeah, I support him.
Yes, you are the support.
You do not support him?
I don't know.
No, he's very good guy. He's a very good
winner
man.
now, ha? To, Dutch of
English?
English,
Dutch?
English. English.
English, okay. He's a good one. He's the winner now of the election.
Ah, okay. Mariela,
He
okay.
is the mayor in Davao.
600 meters.
Since yesterday.
I have a friend before in the embassy of Nigeria. She's also
A supporter of Duterte?
no, it's Philippine.
Yeah.
She told us this thing that Tata is a very good man.
Yes. He is not only good, he is a living hero.
Why they bring it?
Exactly, sir. Because he was politically
That's why he
persecuted.
asked why he bring here? We have a court, we have a
Yeah.
we have a rules, we have a. But that's what our staff.
According to Attorney Harry Roque, he was kidnapped. He was taken from the Philippines and brought inside.
No, that is the kidnap because
Yeah.
no papers, no professional document. Unprofessional arrested.
And these people are bad. When they
Exactly.
want somebody-
They colonized other countries. They mistreat people. They exploit people. They think that other nationalities are not capable of deciding their own internal matters, right? They think that we don't have a judiciary. They think that they can
Because
just
he
exercise
didn't
their.
like drug, bad habit, corruption.
Yes, he doesn't like that.
it. He
No,
didn't give,
he wants only good thing for his people and for the Philippines. He only want the Philippines to be developed. So that's why I hope that if it's okay for us to record this conversation and then you play it here every time somebody you have it's not possible. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, tutubi to ni
we don't go into politics.
That's correct. It's very sad that we are experience this as a country.
Kana siya nga video. Ya galing ka moral kuan ba kani uli na siya.
That's why for us, it's very important that we are talking to people, that we are trying to explain what it is that we are doing.
Every day I see that you people.
Yeah, we are there for 64 days now.
Wow.
We have been there outside,
Tubads na.
and not only people from the Netherlands.
64 days na punta.
Oh, 64 days na taat eh. We have been there for 64 days.
They answer you.
people-
Somebody talk to you.
No, yeah.
Come to talk to
People come to talk to us.
Coming there.
They're asking because Filipinos from America, United Kingdom, Ireland, all over the world,
Wow.
they come there to visit and show their support. We eat and we pray and we do the things that we can. as good citizens to show our love and support for him.
Imo nang di-adsertisyon.
Pangit din pakinggan. Naaman true talaga na ang team naaok yung truth talaga na ang team ni BBM sinurrender niya sa ICC. No, I mean like that's why the ombudsman asked them why did they do that to President Duterte, because yun naman ginawa nila, sinurrender nila. Surrender also known as talagang hindi siya binigyan ng option. Talagang kinuha talaga siya. Ano bang gusto mo sabihin ko na kinidnap? Yo, pag sabihin ko kinidnap, nagorgor na din ako, nagalit na din yung ano sa akin, gobyerno. Oh. Ano bang sabihin mo, Alvin, na mayroon sa tayo, di ko kasi dapat. Now, actually, before they took him from the Philippines here, he filed his candidacy to run as mayor of the city of Davao. Probably you haven't heard of Davao. And now, we just finished our midterm election and he won with an overwhelming majority voted by over 600,000 people. If he was that bad of a president,
Why they vote for him?
because as a mayor.
Yeah, but if he's bad, why people still want him?
Exactly. That's my point. That is very much the
So if
question.
people want him, why the outside don't want him?
Because he has influence. Because people believe in him. He wants to eliminate him in the political spectrum.
Okay.
So, personal troops inside rehab. Okay. Ang dami na rehab sa surrender na time ni PRRD, kaya di totoo yung AJK nila. Correct. AJK by definition, it should be a state-sponsored killing. Meron bang state-sponsored killing? No.
Naroon, tinuod na.
Hindi ang totoo. Ang totoo is merong war on drugs and that's a perfectly legitimate operation.
Karoon na sila. Asa tong nangamatay sa corona, ilang giapil. Pero saan ka na?
Kinuha ang right ng Filipino citizen. Exactly.
Exactly. No, they didn't respect the right of the Philippines.
Alam mo ate, gusto ko talaga mag-lawyer before. Gusto ko maging maestra na ako si Miriam.
Mag-lawyer, mag-proceed kag-lawyer.
Mag-proceed ko law pero another 4 years na po. Unya mag-masters pa kag 2 years LLM. Unya kapoy ka ate. Murag matuog na lang ko da sa Duterte Street.
Safe na ta.
Siyempre,
Safe na. I-explain na ba yan? Kung naminaw kasi explanation ganyan ni attorney, di na ka mangutana, anak.
Alangan kaya man ko ganina.
Okay. Explain ako, Osab. Nanatay sure 6.
nanay.
Sure ng solid 6.
Si Robin pa din.
Ang kinahanglan is 9 votes in order to para ma-acquit si VP. So we from the 6 we have, na another 6 na pwede na to i-base na makuha ta dito og 3. So si Noah Cavillar, basta. So we only need 9 votes. Most likely, labi na tong magpa-re-election sa 2028, ganahan na sila mukuan sa mga Dutertes. Oh, di ba?
Iba ning nakakita